There are multiple ways to build your list. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the classic edit version. First, go to your list by clicking My Lists on the main homepage, and under Actions next to the list you want to edit, click Edit. On the left-hand side of the page you have the list itself. At the moment this list is blank, so there is nothing on it. On the right you have the options to create sections, notes and pages, as well as your bookmarks. Sections are the structure of your list. You can have sections for individual weeks' readings, for topics, or any other structure you prefer. To add a section, click and drag the arrow cross next to New Section into your list. You'll be prompted to add a title and any optional notes for students as well. Click Save. You can nest sections inside of other sections. For example, we could drag a new section and insert it into week 1. This is where we can categorise readings into essential readings and recommended. To add one of your bookmarks, just click and add your arrow cross next to the bookmark you want to add and insert it into the section. A dotted line will appear where your bookmark will be added to. You will need to set the importance of the bookmark. This indicates to students how vital it is that they read it and helps the library to know how many copies there should be in stock. Click Set Importance and select the importance from the drop-down menu. You can add notes to the bookmark. To do this, click Edit Notes and Importance. Notes for students are visible to anyone viewing the list. These are useful for highlighting chapter readings or important sections or anything else that you would like students to know. Notes for the library are only visible to the library staff. They can be used to request chapter scans, ask for ebooks or extra print copies, or specify that copies should be moved to a certain section. If you are requesting a scan, please include the chapter number and the page range. Library staff may also use this section to record actions taken or messages to academics. When you have finished building your list, you have two options. To publish the list, click Publish. It will now be visible to students and the library will be automatically alerted that there is a new list available to review. We will then check and process the list. To keep the list in draft form, click Save Draft. This means that it will not be visible to students. Either option will take you back to the list. If you choose to save as a draft, you will still have the option to publish. You can also request a review without publishing. To do this, click the Request Review link underneath Save Drafts, and then click Send.